In this video, I'll show you how to use the slash command in Notion. I'm using a sample page called slash commands just as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. Click anywhere on the page. Make sure your cursor is blinking. On your keyboard, type a /. A menu appears on the screen. This menu shows different blocks you can add. Slowly move your mouse down the list. Click any option you want. For example, click Text. The block is added to the page. Now click on an empty space again. Type a / one more time. This time, click Heading. A heading appears on the page. You can use the slash command anytime you want to add something new. That's how to use the slash command in Notion.